What's up, guys? We're here in Clubhouse Exchange. We're doing the giveaways for the auctions this time around. I listed all the giveaways up above. So we're going to go live. We're live at 2:12. 2:12 here in Mass. We're going to go 3 times, guys. Top 13, I believe, are all going to win. Got everything listed out here. So top 13, good luck, everybody. 1. Craig on top, all the way down to Mr. Roy. 2. And 3. Top 13, Willis on top. I don't even think he won anything. Craig on the bottom. See, guys, that's why you bid. Willis with the $75. Pat, you got the Mac Jones rookie. CJ, the McDavid rookie. Craig, the Makita auto. Howie, you got the Howe 1975 PSA 5. Tim, you got the Acuna rookie and the Sittler jersey auto. Steve, you got the Charlie Conacher in the game used patch. The dual glove of Samsonov and Fedorov, and the 5-card hockey lot. Kaniak, you got the Paul Henderson auto. Jack, the Nia Jax auto. And Craig, the Yadon Sancho optic holo. Congrats, guys.